got some great cases where we've been able to get some people to come off of their CPAP. So, a CPAP is a continuous positive airway pressure machine that essentially forces air into your upper airway. That way, it holds open all of the
Yeah,
muscles and you're able
right.
to breathe adequately while you're sleeping.
By the
But
way, just a sidebar, if any one of you has tried to sleep in the same bed with somebody who's got a CPAP on, it's not enjoyable.
oh no. It's like it's twofold, right? It's not enjoyable when they're not wearing it because they're snoring or gasping, or it's
Yeah,
scary in that way. And when they are wearing it, it's just noisy.
not fun
It's
at
just a lot.
all.